Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 7th, video number 118, visualizing solid shapes, section B, tough. Let's start. Remember, this chapter has nothing to do with maths, although it is in IMO. It's complete visualization, how much you can think and how much do you practice. So always believe in practice in this chapter. A given solid is a regular triangular pyramid. The net of the pyramid is wrongly drawn with one extra face. Which of the following faces ABCD is not the part of the net? Net means what? A two-dimensional shape that can be folded to form a three-dimension. So this is a three-dimension and this is two-dimension. If you fold this will be formed. But something is extra over here. Which one is extra? Just check. This is compulsory. So if you fold this C and B along this and only one side remains, that will be completed by A because A will get there. D is not required. So D is the answer. Next, which of the following solids has greatest number of faces? These solids. Quite easily you can see A. Now how many are there? You can count it. I'll just give you the answers. These are the faces 15, 9, 11 and 6. So maximum number is A. Which of the following figures has 15 edges? Edges means these lines. How many? Which one? Maximum is X. So X will have that. See this 5 over here, then 5 on this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 on that side. So total 15. The given figure shows a solid formed using two puzzle pieces. This is a solid and it is formed using two puzzle pieces. Which of the following are the two puzzle pieces? See here, what is this solid made of? One is the staircase and second is the L. So which one has staircase and which one has L? This is the staircase and this one is L. So B and C is the answer. Next, state true or false. Cube, see here 4 solids are given and here the elements are given. Faces, edges and vertices. We have to check which one is true and which one is false. This is the meaning of edge, this is vertex, point and this is the face. Okay. Cube has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4 means 12. Okay. So for cube it is true. Next, cylinder. There are 3 faces, one top, one bottom and this circular face. Edges, 2 edges, one these corners and vertices means points, no vertices. So for cylinder it is false because edges is 1, that is 2, face vertices is 0 and face is also wrong. So this is wrong. Triangular pyramid. Number of faces 4, number of edges 6, number of vertices 4. So triangular pyramid is true. Now cuboid. Cube and cuboid are always same. Only the difference is cuboid is a rectangle face, has a rectangle face. Cube has all square faces. Remaining things same. 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. So true. Next, if 2 unit cubes marked X are removed from the solid, then which of the solid will be obtained? Just remove them. You check this, the answer is D. Next, how many edges, vertices and faces does the given figure have? This is the given figure. So this is the hexagonal prism. Just check the vertices and count them and you will get these answers. Vertices 12, 6 over here, 6 over here. Edges 18, 6, 6 and the 6 over here. And faces 8. You can check with this Euler's formula. You will get the same answer. Which of the following is the net of a solid? Solid means what? If all are closed, net means 2-dimensional. We have to convert it to 3-dimensional. If all are closed, none of the faces should remain open or there should not be any gap in between. If you close this, it will be a pyramid. Pyramid. If you close this circle will go inside and again a pyramid. If you close this will also be a prism or prism. Yeah. And if you close this, these two circles will go and form the face of the circular. This is a tube, you can call it, with covered face. Okay. But A and B if you join, A and C if you join, they won't close totally. Something will be hollow. So A and C are not the net of a solid. Remaining E, B, D, F are a net of the solid. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get his videos, tests, question banks with explanations on your mobile.